Our Virgin Island stands at a crossroads. With high unemployment, skyrocketing energy costs, and a shrinking industrial sector, we must build a new path. Today is the day for a vibrant vision. My vision is rooted in strong relationships, innovative policy, and hard work. Having not only worked in Congress, I've worked from this very building, the Capitol, and understand more than most the opportunities that are available for us Virgin Islanders in Washington. As delegate to Congress, day one will be the fight for economic growth to bring new jobs, greater assistance to our schools, and to solve our energy crisis. This must be won by thoughtful policy that is hard fought in the halls of Congress, for the valleys of Monbijou and the hills of Savane. My name is Stacey Plaskett, and I'm asking for your support, your vote, as your delegate to Congress for a greater U.S. Virgin Islands.